I have planned to make a video about the Waseem Akram, who hit many batsmen on head and many parts of body. Waseem Akram was unplayable fast bowler. I often say Waseem varge putt mawa kadi kadi jamdiyan ne. So Waseem Akram is a great and dangerous bowler. He hit the Lara, he hit the Richard, he hit Shrikant and Last Keynes. Last Keynes was hit in 1985 when New Zealand wants to win 61 runs to win, but he hit on and he has to go to hospital. But he returned back and made a victory by 2 wickets, and what an astonishing victory. Both sides were anxious about their victory. Waseem Akram by time and again wants to hit the batsman on head, but umpire reprimand him. At that time Javed Miandad was captain, who intervened and said that Waseem is doing right, but umpire did not cede his argument and asked him not to bouncer the batsman, being the light is very dim. Thank you.
And look at the reaction of the bowler. Oh, and that's a good bouncer. But once again, as he sticks that bouncer in, so he stretches his front foot forward and over the line he goes. Now that was a better one. It was very straight, and it certainly had Taylor pulling his head out of the way very quickly.
And Taylor taking his eye away.
Oh, he's hit him.
Called for square leg. That's well bowled, probably too high, but that was a nasty one. That swung back, and that's what Rodney Marsh was talking about. Pace and swing. Oh, that's just about cut him in half. My goodness. These white balls are very hard too. Moves back magnificently and copped that young man. Have a look at the two deliveries that caused this problem. They're both very sharp. And the Hanema going off the ground, and right, we're taking time to recover. Tired, hurt, without scoring.